So the GoPro community is going insane right now. They have a new grip, and the grip is called the Volta. Now, I don't have it. I want to show you something that you could do as well that is kind of going to simulate that in some kind of way. I've been doing this for a long time, and again, I feel like GoPro kind of realized that people were doing this, and they kind of like developed a product that was going to kind of steal the market to this kind of setup right here. So what I want to do is show you something that you could do. Again, if you don't have the $100 and something to buy that system, you could get something like this. It may be a little bit cheaper. By the way, welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. Here I show you equipment and I show you things that I do to help you make better video. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you could be notified. So here's my GoPro setup. I actually been using this for quite some time, and it's really fantastic. GoPro always have issues with the batteries. They don't last as long. So I did this a while ago because I wanted to make sure that I had enough battery to be able to record all day long. Obviously, GoPro realized that because they started to develop equipment and products that is going to kind of help on that, right? So again, if you don't have that much money and you want to spend less money, or if you want to get something that has a little bit more power, you could get something like this. Obviously, you're not going to have the Bluetooth capability. You're not going to have the ability to turn the GoPro on or anything like that from this power bank. But nevertheless, some people out there may want to get something different, right? And this power bank, the coolest thing about it is that if you go with a setup like this, you can potentially charge all the things, right? So it's not only charging my GoPro, as you can see right there, but it could also charge things like a cell phone and things like that. Again, it's a power bank. So obviously you could remove this, connect it to your cell phone, and charge yourself. And again, this battery right here is going to be 10,000 milliamps. So it is actually going to be more power than the Volta that it comes with GoPro. So let me just give you kind of like a rundown here of what I got. I got this GoPro 9 set up right here, which is amazing. By the way, I'm going to link all these products down below for you guys to check it out. So you have the GoPro 9, fantastic camera. I love GoPro. They really step it up big time, right? I got a little lens cover right here that is going to protect that lens. And one of the biggest things that I have is this Ulanzi setup right here. So if I go like this, I could quickly detach this and I could pull my camera away or whatever, right? That's going to be that little attachment right there. It's magnetic, and you see you put it right there, right? I really like this. And one of the things that I like more about this is that I do a lot of motor vlogging. So I could just easily remove the camera like I did right now. Obviously, remove this cable and put it on my helmet and then take it off, right? So again, you don't have to undo this little thing, anything like that. All you have to do is use this thing right here. And let me tell you, it works. I know it works because I go 60 and even more in a motorcycle, and it stays in place. So if it stays in a motorcycle, to me, that's kind of like an ultimate test right there. So again, GoPro, you got the GoPro Media Mod. I love it. It gives you the ability to have a cold shoe right here, another cold shoe right here. You have all these ports back here, which you can install a microphone, which is fantastic, right? 3.5 mil. It also has a micro HDMI. And what I've done in the past is that I connect that to my streaming setup right here, and I'm actually being able to stream with my GoPro, right? So you have the GoPro Media Mod right there, and now you have this little cable. And if you figure about this cable like this, it's kind of like a 90-degree, obviously to kind of keep a low profile, right? I didn't want no cable sticking out or anything like that. And this cable is really nice. It's very flexible, and you have it here. So all this is set up in this Ulanzi BG3 power bank. Like I said, it is a power bank, so you can potentially charge your cell phone and whatever you have with a USB-A, right? You could connect it right here in the same spot that I have right here and charge whatever, right? Again, 10,000 milliamp. So it's actually more powerful than the new grip that it comes with GoPro. So you could be recording, and very easily you could do something such as charge your cell phone. I want to kind of give you a setup right here. If I remove the cable back here and I take the camera, very simple. I could get my little Ulanzi tripod that I have right here, and look what I got right here, right? So now I got a really nice setup. I could be recording. I could have this in my backpack charging my cell phone, and then when I need more batteries, I could just simply take this off right here, go back to this setup, right? Plug it in just like that. You saw how simple was that, and then connect it back here. One is connected. You can see the light right there that is being charged. So again, this is going to be the Ulanzi BG3 power bank, and it does come with a little tripod. You have your connection right here if you want to connect it to a tripod or something like that. You have the connection right there. It does come with a little tripod that you could connect right here, but it does make it a lot bigger, and I don't just like it, right? So again, the power bank is fantastic. Obviously, you could see this tape that I got right here. And again, I'll link all this in the description below. But I put that because the grip doesn't have any traction. So I wanted to have something that I could grab. And again, it feels pretty fantastic. It feels good. I'm going to tell you, this setup right here is very, very solid. So again, I've been using this for quite a while. And like I say, I feel like GoPro noticed that people were doing that and they developed the Volta. Is fantastic. I really think it's going to be a really cool grip. I'm going to get one as well. I love the fact that you have battery. I love the fact what they did with that. Again, I'm excited to get one and use it. But if you want something that is different, maybe you want a power bank like this or something like that, this should kind of give you an idea if you're looking for something different. Again, I have used this setup right here and I just love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the Content Creator channel. Definitely stay tuned because we got tons of videos coming up.